Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. I am so excited for today's video. It's one of the videos you guys always love, and that is DIY gifts on a budget. So today I'm going to share tons of ideas. You can pick whatever size box you want, fill it up with all these awesome DIYs that won't cost very much to make, and have gifts for all kinds of occasions. Now I will say that my purpose behind my box of goodies is for random acts of kindness. With the world being as crazy as it is today, people just need that little extra love, that little extra smile, and these gifts will definitely provide that. Now I've decided to team up with TEMU because that is the place where you can get the most variety of items for the cheapest prices. So let me show you what I've got. I'm going to give you tons of ideas, including how to gift wrap these on a budget. So let's get started. If you're not familiar with TEMU, it is an online marketplace where you can get super cheap items for way cheaper than you would pay for them in the big box stores. They do offer some perks like free shipping, free returns up to 90 days. You can use my code for a discount, and of course, if you download the app, you will get even more discounts. For this first item is going to be for those coffee lovers in your life. Now, if I were to give this as like a birthday gift, I would probably give all three. This came in a 3-pack, 3 different sizes. So for a more significant gift, give all 3. But if you're trying to just have a little gift that you can grab just for a little something here and there, you're going to get 3 gifts out of 1, okay? Now the small one, love this. It's just really easy to slip over the cup if you're kind of a small coffee gal, whether it's hot or cold. But these right here, love these because they have handles. So it makes it really easy to hold. And for this, what I would do is I would just get a clear, iced coffee cup, fill it with some crinkled paper, put some chocolates in there, and then just put a gift card for a drink. It could be to Starbucks or their favorite coffee shop. Easy peasy. And in fact, you don't even have to add the gift card. If you want to make it even cheaper, you could just give them some candy in a cup and then give them this koozie. Now, how I would wrap this up and make it look cute on a budget is look at all the plastic bags there are. They have different sizes. Some of them have designs on them, some of them don't. And this is a very cheap way to wrap a gift that looks cute. So I would just take your plastic bag, take some crinkle paper, grab your koozie, whatever, chocolates, and if you don't want to put a cup, this would be a way to wrap it. And then just tie it up with some pink ribbon or tulle or what have you, and then shove it in your box and it's ready to grab. You just got to add a little card and you're ready to go. Now this next one is going to stretch really, really far. This is going to be for our bookish friends who love to read. Now this came with a 4-pack of bookmarks, okay? And within each one, there are 10 different bookmarks, different designs. These are called, let's see, the Romantic Shore. We've got Pink Overture, Starry Flash, and Fantasy Castle. Now within each of these packs, there are 10 bookmarks. So you could do a couple different things here. If the person really loves to read, and again, you want to make it a little more significant, you could grab one of each of these bookmarks, which would allow you to get 10 gifts out of these. But if you want to stretch it really far, you guys, 40 gifts. 40 gifts with just these few packages. I mean, that's unbelievable, super, super cheap. Again, just add a little card to it. Just because gifts don't have to be anything crazy, just getting a small little thing on someone's desk or maybe on their porch, something like that, it can just bring a smile and it's so worth it. So this would definitely be a great option to just share this. You could attach a book to it if you wanted to, but I absolutely love giving bookmarks because I feel like everybody could use a really good bookmark. Now next up is something that everyone can definitely use, and this is how I would pair these together. So first I picked up this 12-pack of these really pretty floral pens. Everybody needs pens, and having a cute little pen like this is also really, really fun. But if you want to kind of just add something a little extra to it, I picked up this huge pack of notebooks. Now, lots of crafting possibilities here. You could personalize these. You could add scrapbook paper to them. You could cover them with fabric. So there's a lot of cheap things you could do to this to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. And these are really good quality. I mean, it's nice paper. You can get it either graphed or straight lines. You can kind of pick dots, whatever kind of paper you want to pick. But there you go. You can get a notebook, get a pen. Now, what I really, really like is, you guys know I've been loving to bedazzle things. So you can also get the little gems to bedazzle. So how fun would that be to take your notebook and bedazzle it up just to give it a little extra sparkle, extra shimmer. And then of course pair it with the pen and you've got an easy grab and go gift. These pens write really, really smooth. I was quite impressed with their quality, and they're kind of heavy. They're not, I mean, they do not feel cheap at all. I've got several of these around my house that are glitter pens that I absolutely love. So this is definitely a great cheap option to give somebody a little bit of a brighter day. Now we can't forget the little people. Kids get sick, they may be in the hospital, things like that, and you definitely want to bring a little smile to them when they're feeling kind of down. So I found a super cute. They have this dinosaur pen. You just push the top of the head to change the colors. I mean, how fun is that? I mean, even as an adult, I would love to write with this. There's all kinds of colors there. Of course, pair it with a little notebook or a sketchbook or something that I could write notes in, a journal, something like that. And I would even go a little further to add this. Okay, I opened it up a little bit here. It's a, okay, this is one of the packages, but I opened one. 12 pack of fidgets, okay? So this will stretch for 12 gifts. Now, if you want to give them several different ones, because there are different styles in here of fidgets, you could do that. But if you really want to stretch your dollar, you could just get these. And these are just those things you put on your finger and you spin them. Some have spikes, some have bumps, some have stripes. But yeah, you know, kids love to fidget. So definitely including a fidget spinner. Other fidgets that are popular, which these would probably be for older kids because you wouldn't want them to eat them, are these squishy things. These are kind of a knockoff, I think, of something that's popular right now. But inside there's like these little fruits, and they can just, you just squeeze it and, you know, manipulate it and play with it. And so I got a huge pack of those. All of these here, again, stretching this for many, many gifts. So definitely could include fidget spinners. Kids love those. The last fidget kind of thing I got, it's a little bigger. So for instance, you know, if someone's really not feeling well, I'd probably pull together a whole basket. Are these little things that you can just kind of mess with and, you know, flip around and do all kinds of fun things with. So even as an adult, I fidget all the time. So these would definitely be something that a child would love. Now this next one, I'm very excited about. Let me open it real quick. I couldn't believe how pretty this was. They have so many different zippered pouches. This has got florals on it, and it is huge inside, okay? So something like this, a great pamper me gift. Now you could definitely just give this by itself if you wanted to, but I would probably fill it with something else that I picked up. Nail stuff. So this was a huge kit that came together, and it comes with everything in it. I mean, the price was ridiculously cheap, and it comes with all the possible tools that you could need to do your nails. So you've got your brushes, different size brushes. They've got sparkles on them. They're so cute. Different sizes, like I mentioned, all the different tools you need to do nails, some brushes, these things, and then of course, adding some nail stickers, some nail polish, shoving that on there, adding a chocolate bar because why not? That would make a perfect gift. Again, super, super cheap. Now, like I said, you could definitely just do this and maybe put a little chocolate bar in it and call it a day. But if you want to zhuzh it up a little bit, make it a little more significant, do some pampering items, lotions, hand soaps, fun things like that, face masks. I mean, who doesn't need a zipper pouch? We can all use tons and tons of zipper pouches. Now the next thing I grabbed, which I have been wanting to get one of these for forever, it's a manual die cut. Now you can get die cuts for so cheap. If you don't have the budget to purchase a big cutting machine, this is going to be your option. You can get, like I said, so many different die cuts for so many different occasions and season, and all you need is some scrapbook paper, a little bit of, you know, arm action, and voila, you've got yourself some really, really cute things that you can make. So let me show you what I picked out and what I made. Here is the die cut machine. It comes with all the plates, and then like I said, you can pick out your little die cut that you want to use. I've got this really decorative little envelope that I thought would be perfect for all of these little gifts, and I can put a little note inside. Simple to use, it's manual, so you simply just roll it through, and then once it's cut and punched out, I would recommend, especially with these that have way finer design like this one does. Some type of sharp tool. Here's my awl, using that to kind of punch some of those out, do it over a trash can so it's not as messy. And then of course you can put it together, and like I said, I'm just going to make a ton of these in different colors, and then I can slip a little note card in there with a note. The other one that I did were these little flower confettis. I thought these would be great to be little seals on the envelope, along with confetti that you could put inside of a bag. It's always fun to have a little something extra mixed in with that crinkle paper. So again, you could do all kinds of colors with this, but this is definitely, if you're trying to go super budget friendly, a die cut machine is the way to go. Now, the last thing I got was a package of 25 of these little butterfly charms. Now, charms seem to be really popular right now, whether you're making, you know, adding them to Bible tassels or your purse or your wallet or your zipper bags. I mean, they're just very, very popular. This is such an easy gift to do. I mean, talk about cut out a piece of cardstock, punch a hole, attach this, and then all you have to do is just write a little note, and it's just a little pick-me-up. And there's all kinds of charms. I mean, you could find charms that relate to the person you're giving it to, or just something that makes them a little happy, which is going to lead me into my favorite gift wrapping. Now, these little charm gifts would fit perfect in this. This is a bag of 50 of these little kind of linen bags that, you know, tie clothes. I absolutely love these. I think these are great for putting, you could just put a bunch of chocolates in there, have it ready to go, and just, you know, when somebody, even when you're walking around, like if somebody's having a bad day at the grocery store, be like, here, I hope you have a better day, and pull it out of your purse. It does not take up much space. But like I said, this is a perfect size to store these. And I like to kind of customize these a little bit. I did pick up this fun kind of stretchy ribbon here. So I've been adding this. I've used a couple of these bags already, and I've been using this little ruffle on here just to kind of, you know, zhuzh it up a little bit, make it look really cute, which I really, really like. And so you could definitely use these for a variety of things, from jewelry, like I said, candies, or just worry stones, pocket crosses, so many options of little things you could put in here that do not cost a lot, but it makes a really nice package. And then of course, you know, you could add your own little bow if you wanted to, or add a charm to the outside of the bag if there's some other kind of gift in there. So you could do candies and then voila, add a charm to it if you wanted to. So lots of options with these tiny bags. Now the other thing, okay, I don't know if you guys are like me, where I at one time had tons of birthday bags and, you know, graduation bags and Mother's Day bags, Christmas bags, all these different bags, and it was getting a little out of control. And so for Christmas, I still kind of, you know, hold a big collection for that, but for all the other holidays, this is kind of what I've streamlined to. I picked up this huge pack of 25 clear bags, and these are actually really good quality. They're very, very sturdy. They have a nice little base here that helps them hold the shape when they are open. And I've been personalizing these. I put stickers on them. I also will take scrapbook paper. So I've got some birthday scrapbook paper. I can slide it into it. And what I like about these bags is, I don't know if you can tell, but on the inside, there's kind of this little plastic thing here. So what happens is I put the scrapbook paper in, kind of put that over it and secure it, and it stays in place. And then of course, you're going to want your ribbons. Love chiffon ribbon. I just think chiffon ribbon on gifts is so, so pretty. And so I picked up, you know, a 3-pack of white because that seems to be a color I go through the most. I usually like to pair these if I'm going to add an actual ribbon to it with a colored ribbon, you know, kind of something satiny and silky. But also I picked up just some plain white ribbon. You can never go wrong with white ribbon. This also you could iron on and, you know, customize and personalize it if you wanted to by putting names on there, something like that. So that's why I always like to have just a plain white ribbon on hand. That will wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed these quick, budget-friendly DIYs that won't break the bank. Let me know down below in the comments, what are your favorite little kind of quick, cheap DIY gifts to go? I will have all of the details in the description box. Thank you again to TEMU for partnering with me today to make this a very budget-friendly video. I really appreciate it. To access your coupon, open the app, go to the search bar, type in DXB3562, and your $20 coupon will be applied to your cart. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!